Hello friends. Welcome to my channel about healthy bread. Thank you for choosing my video. Today we'll be making delicious and equally healthy avocado bread. We will need 120 grams of oatmeal, which we will grind into flour. Oatmeal improves digestion, lowers cholesterol, keeps you full for longer, stabilizes blood sugar, and supports the heart, immune system, and skin thanks to fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Avocados are beneficial because they strengthen the heart, lower bad cholesterol, improve digestion, keep you full for a long time, and support skin and hormonal balance thanks to healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. Friends, write in the comments what country or city you are watching from. Friends, don't choose overripe avocados, otherwise your bread might taste bitter. Add salt, your favorite spices in moderation, and a little lemon juice if desired. I added chutney to prevent the avocado from turning black. Write what kind of bread you like and whether you cook it at home or buy it. Eggs are beneficial because they provide high-quality protein and vitamins A, D, E, and B, support brain function thanks to choline, improve vision, and keep you feeling full for a long time. Greek yogurt is beneficial due to its high protein content, which satiates and supports muscles, and its probiotics, which improve digestion. It's rich in calcium, potassium, vitamin B12, and iodine, strengthening bones, supporting immunity, and helping maintain a healthy metabolism. Friends, eat right and eat healthy food. This is about our health and about tomorrow. Let me tell you about the benefits of seeds. They are also called superfoods. White sesame is rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. It strengthens bones, supports the heart, improves digestive function, and provides healthy fats and antioxidants. Sunflower seeds contain vitamin E, magnesium, selenium, and healthy fats. They strengthen the heart, support immunity, protect cells from oxidative stress, and improve skin condition. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, lignans, and minerals. They help lower cholesterol, improve intestinal function, support the heart, and have antioxidant properties. Grey sesame contains calcium, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. It strengthens bones and teeth, supports heart function and digestion, and also has antioxidant properties. Here you'll find only the most useful, interesting, and inspiring. Subscribe to stay up to date with tips, life hacks, and tips for health, beauty, and energy every day. Click subscribe now, and always be one step ahead.